Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel Machining with Joe. So you'll be happy to hear I'm feeling a lot better now. Pretty much got over all this cold, so the channel can go back to normal, and that little week out that I had shouldn't be happening again anytime soon. So today we're going to be revealing the winner of the free giveaway to celebrate me and this channel and all you guys getting to 1,000 subscribers. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going a little bit old school. I've got everyone's names that entered in my partner's mixing bowl, which we'll keep that quiet, we won't tell her about that, because I imagine she won't want to make any cakes if that gets too dirty. So how it's going to work, literally I'm just going to put my hand in, give it a mix around, and we'll reveal the first winner, and then we'll do it again to give two winners. So unfortunately the beanie hats still haven't arrived due to the amazingness that is COVID and Brexit that's happening at the minute. So I still haven't got the beanies to actually show you guys, but as soon as they arrive I'll be getting them sent out to the two winners. We're just about to find out who they are. So let's get on with this. Mr. Miyagi style hands. Right, so winner number one. What have we got? Benjamin C. Congratulations. So congratulations Benjamin, you've won yourself a free beanie. So let's find out who our second winner is going to be. And we have, not looking at all, Driver Man. So congratulations Driver Man, you have also won yourself a free beanie. So Benjamin and Driver Man, if you could just email me in the About Me section, you'll find my email address there, and I can get them sent out to you as quick as possible. As for everyone else that entered the competition, thank you so much for subscribing the channel. Really means a lot to me that you guys will take the time to just drop a comment below just saying what video you first saw about me and what you liked it. So I really appreciate that guys. That's the free giveaway all done, and I'll be back on the channel as normal on a Friday where I'll be doing a video over on the mill this time, and it's going to be a little bit different to what you guys have seen before. So stay tuned and I'll see you then. Have a good week guys.